Musamseleku agreed to have a ceremony for his daughter Mpilo. Makhumalo called Musamseleku on Mpilo's behalf, and Musamseleku says he can have a ceremony for Mpilo. So Musamseleku think again and saw that he is going to disappoint Mpilo's mother. Mpilo's mother can ask some of the questions to Musamseleku, that you are punishing my daughter because you have a misunderstanding with your wife. Why my daughter want to be involved on your relationship with Makhumalo? Because Musamseleku saw that his relationship with Makhumalo, it can't be fixed forever, because Makhumalo, she is losing interest on Musamseleku. That's why Musamseleku agreed to have a ceremony for Mpilo. Now Mpilo is a graduate and she is 21, and Musamseleku didn't do anything for Mpilo. Mpilo is going to be disappointed. He saw that he can't have a ceremony for Sneh, and he is still continuing to say he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo because they are not in good relationship with Makhumalo. I love Makhumalo the way she was talking to Musamseleku on a phone. Even they don't understand each other or they are not getting along. But Mpilo asked Makhumalo that you are going to dump my father. Mpilo says, I don't know, because Makhumalo now, guys, Musamseleku and Makhumalo, they are going to divorce forever. So Mpilo is affected, even is an adult. Mpilo was used that Musamseleku and Makhumalo, they are always together to be happy family. But Mpilo, she looks like she is being affected about their issues, because Makhumalo, she doesn't want Musamseleku anymore. Even the way she was talking to Musamseleku, they only discuss about Mpilo's issue. That's why Makhumalo called Musamseleku. Makhumalo nowadays, she is not easily to call Musamseleku anytime or to ask him that what. She can ask about Mpilo only. So Makhumalo, she is losing interest on Musamseleku, and Mpilo is being affected. Maybe Mpilo have a fear that if Makhumalo divorces Musamseleku, Makhumalo is going to dump him. Makhumalo never dump Mpilo, guys. Those people, they have a bond. Mpilo loves Makhumalo more than she loves her mother. That's why Musamseleku accepted the ceremony, because he saw that if even he can take advantage of Mpilo and say maybe Mpilo have to talk to Makhumalo or to Makhumalo to agree. But Musamseleku now, he saw that Makhumalo is not going to change the statement. And Makhumalo now, she opened her eyes. Makhumalo is not a child that Musamseleku can use Mpilo, that I can't have a ceremony. Maybe he was thinking that Makhumalo was desperate, that Mpilo can have a ceremony. But Makhumalo knows that the person who is going to be hurt is Mpilo more than her. You understand? Makhumalo on her side, she is okay. She is settled, but Mpilo is not going to be settled. That's the problem. That's why Makhumalo called Musamseleku, because Makhumalo, she is doing it for her daughter. Even they don't get along. But when it comes to Mpilo, Makhumalo can do anything for Mpilo. So that's why Musamseleku now, he saw that the deal of want to Makhumalo to accept Makwela to use on Mpilo's issue, it doesn't work. And that's why he accepts that we have to do that ceremony, because it's his responsibility, guys. And when he doesn't do a ceremony for Mpilo, he did for other kids, for Sneh, and he is going to do a ceremony for Awongwe, because Awongwe graduated. So he saw that he can't have a ceremony for Awongwe because she graduated. Awongwe graduate after Mpilo, you understand? So there is a problem because of those kids. So that's why Musamseleku agreed to have a ceremony for his daughter Mpilo. Guys, it's a problem on that marriage now, Makhumalo and Musamseleku, and Mpilo is going to be affected. Last time it was Mangwabe, you understand? Mangwabe and Musamseleku, Mawande was being affected. She was crying. And now it's serious on Mpilo, because Mpilo didn't expect that one day her mother Makhumalo and Musamselekwe separated, Mpilo didn't think that the things can goes in such a way.